यात्री कृपया ध्यान दें.
Questions for beginners. One thing is which I get asked a lot is where to start as a beginner, like how to start. I'm very new to programming, I don't even know. So this is something I have chewed upon for a long time now. And one thing I've come up with now, this question, how should I start, this comes from an age group of 13 to 27, for me at least. On my main page, which is Innovative Coder, I have got this question a lot. And the answer I have thought of for this particular problem is that there is a pathway now. I won't give you a complete roadmap, but I would tell you a pathway how to go about it, along with, of course, resources. So the major resource is my channel Jasveerji. Go on that if you are like coming from Hindi related audience, and even like if you are coming from English, and you can learn from the subtitles, because it's the videos are in Hindi. I initially thought that why not make something for India only, why not make something for our Hindi understanding audience only who doesn't understand English, because for English there are a lot of tutorials out there. So Jasveerji, you can go over there, you will find tutorials starting from HTML and CSS, of course. Now HTML CSS are the very basics of programming. I'm not going to take the pathway of C++ or maybe Python, because of the reason that those are programmatic languages where you have to build out logics, and you don't see everything onto your screen. You don't build something. Let's say I'm printing out Fibonacci series in C++ or maybe Python, or printing out something in Python, or maybe doing some scikit-learn sort of stuff in Python. I'm not able to see that stuff. That's analysis. That's very good. I'm not talking about like I'm not talking in a negative sense, but yeah, you don't see that thing in front of you. And now when you create a button, when you create a form, a login form in HTML with the help of a CSS, some nice CSS sprinkled onto it, you'll build something. And that the feeling of building something is your reward function, and this is what will keep you going on, and this is what will keep you moving on. I see a lot of people out there. My brother is a digital marketer, so he refrains himself from learning coding. But the main reason is because he started out with C++, of course, in school, and then he left all of that. But now when I said that I have so and so tutorials and watch them and build out HTML websites, he did that, and he really told me, this was his feedback. I'm not coming out from this from my own. This was his feedback. This was a feedback from my own friend who started coding very recently. And I told him that start from HTML, watch my videos. They're like I have sort of made these concocted set of maybe 12 to 13 videos. Also I have a project at the end, you can say sort of a capstone project, but yeah, there is something like that. So go over there and watch that, and once you have an interest in coding, then you can think of logic building. And for logic building, I have JavaScript. After that, you can watch my vanilla JavaScript series, and then you can switch on to more advanced stuff. Now for more advanced stuff, I have a complete post on this. You can go on my Instagram page, Innovative Coder, or even I'll link down the post as well as the handle in the comment section, in the not the comment section, in the description. Yeah, so I list that down in the description, and then you can go over there and watch that complete slide. I have listed down all the resources over there. So after vanilla JavaScript, you can go on to build out websites. You can go on to build out apps, maybe hybrid apps. You can go on to build out desktop apps with Electron.js. Even you can go into machine learning, physics engines, and like a whatnot. JavaScript is the real power. JavaScript opens you to every field. It just diversifies your set of choice. It just diversifies what fields you can choose. So I would say I would always prefer this path, even if I was starting this day today. I started with C++, then went on to do Python, then machine learning, and then web development. But yeah, if I was starting this day in 2021, I would definitely go with JavaScript, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then maybe React. Yeah, React would be the thing I would take as of now, because that's the hottest thing today in the market. Yeah. Okay. Ciao. That's all for this video. If you like the video, then please share this video with your friends who are just starting out. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. That would really help with the algorithm. Thank you.